Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Happy New Year! For this New Year special, I'm going to be microwaving a box of wine. You may have seen the viral video where it blows the microwave to pieces, but that has been debunked by Jory, Karen, and Jonathan Paula when not only did they prove it was fake, but did it themselves for 26 minutes and nothing happened. So, I'm going to do this myself because there's still naysayers out there. And here to microwave the box of wine is Elsa, the Ice Queen microwave. Okay, open her up, stick in the box of wine. So, what the hell? Take the box of wine already, penis breath. That's better. I'm gonna crank this baby up all the way. Well, there's a half hour of my life I'm never getting back. Well, that was certainly a dumbass idea, but at least this proves that microwaving a box of wine will not blow up a microwave and cannot blow through a concrete wall, let alone even the bag to burst. And, oh, that's warm. It's really warm. In fact, I'm surprised the bag didn't leak after being in for as long as it was. Well, this definitely confirms that whole microwave a box of wine viral video from a few years ago, it's fake. Anyway, I hope you got some enjoyment out of this. Happy New Year, and I've got some really exciting episodes for 2015.